What's going on, guys? So I figured I'd make this video getting the truck ready for the Alabama truck meet, which is probably the day that this video will come out. But if you're like me, it's a time crunch, especially this time of the year. It's freaking dark at 5 o'clock. You don't have any time after work to do anything. And if your truck is a daily driver like mine, it's dirty most of the time, unfortunately. I mean, I don't even know what that is. Massive bird dookie, or I hit a chocolate milk going down the road, not sure. Wheels, absolutely crying. Everything on this thing is crying. Like, that is some serious buildup, and it's, yeah, hey, it's just freaking part of it. And my taillight over here decided to, you know, spring a leak, of course. Like, love that. This is gonna be bad. And there's a couple things I want to get done to the truck before, one of them being window tint, which I literally need to do tonight or tomorrow night in order for it to be dry so I can roll the windows down. I bought a cold air intake for the truck. I want to do a video on that before I get to the truck meet, because Mead, I think, is going to run E85 in his Tundra. We're going to have a rematch. I'll be on 35s this time, so I'll be at a disadvantage from last time. Plus, he's running E, and my truck's bone stock. So I figured, you know, a little cold air intake might do a little something. I got to pop the whole front end back off and redo the adhesive on here, because that gap right there is because, you know, I had to take the whole adhesive out and I didn't have any at the time, so I just stuck it back together and just the clamps are holding it. But I don't know if I broke a clamp right here or if it's just the adhesive was factory, you know, it's not holding because I took it apart, whatever, I don't know. So with that being said, this video is going to jump all over the place, multiple nights doing stuff, but I figured, hey, I'll bring y'all along with it. And then the truck meet Saturday, it's gonna be freaking awesome. A lot of y'all on Instagram have been asking me if I'm going. Yes, I'm definitely going. Hope to see y'all there. I would like to clay bar it and wax and everything, but I just genuinely don't think I'm gonna have time. My only options are get it as clean as I can and just roll with it. So that's the plan. Let's jump to the next thing. 30% has gotta go. I have missed the dark tint, and it's just time. I wanna get this done before the truck meet. We can't be rolling up in there with no 30% tint. I mean, it's genuinely the worst. Like, it is, it's not even on there, basically. It's pointless. Hopefully I can heat this thing up and do a lot better than last time when I took it off, because that was an absolute nightmare. But I'm gonna pull that off, and then probably tomorrow night we'll be slapping on some fresh 5% pre-cut. I have like 4,000 to 5,000 miles on these things already, and I don't want to eat them up. They've been wearing great, honestly. Like that flaking stuff that I talked to y'all about, it genuinely went away. Our tires are nice and smooth, not out of round or anything, and I want to keep them like that. Don't want any cupping or anything like that to happen. So we are very much overdue rotating. Now, we usually like doing that every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, so we're pushing as far as what I like to do. And before I put these back on, I'm gonna take a moment to clean the barrels of them while I got them off. Yeah, we definitely need to clean them. I'll spray some tire shine on there real quick, let that sit for a bit. That way they'll be black once I wash them off, and they won't sling all over the truck. Just throw the tractor tires on here real quick. Check our ball joints. Oh, we're solid. Steering solid. Ball joints solid. Running a big leveling kit like this, it's always good when your ball joints are nice and solid. All right, next night, spent my lunch break today cleaning the windows. I got them pretty daggum clean. I think I got all the residue off. I just gotta go back with microfiber rag and, you know, just kind of clean up all the little things from paper towels. Get little Dallas smudges off that she put on the ride home. But I got them clean, razor blades, some Goo Gone, some Windex. Hopefully I can get this tint on there good and looking good without having any debris in it. Kind of hard to do in a dirty, I say dirty, dusty. I mean, you got crap flying around down in here. Hopefully Huey won't be running up and down the steps making that kind of stuff fly. Dad, what if you talking about me? And I bought this off of Amazon, little, you know, install kit. You got a razor blade if you're gonna be cutting your tint, solution, a what I think is a rag that's probably lint free or whatever, and then your good squeegee, which you're definitely gonna need a good squeegee to get everything right. Alright, so I got a decent amount of stuff done. I got the headlights fixed. Got that, I actually had one of the clamps or clips messed up. So fixed that, put some more adhesive on there. Got the windows buttoned up. We'll see how they look outside tomorrow, whether or not they look good or bad. We have the light shining straight through there, but they are 5%. We'll see once we get out. We'll deal with that later. I got the shackles out, so we dropped the rear a little bit. I'm sure y'all saw a quick little slide or something like that. I don't know. So that's done. We got a little bit of a lean back. What else? I guess the other thing is, do we put the little chrome inserts in there? Do we like this or do we like this? I'll probably leave it on there because it does flow good with all the other chrome. They're all right. I'm not crazy about them, but I do think they look pretty good with the wheels. I see some of y'all ask what I use for polishing stuff. So as you can see, just destroyed up under here. If you run your tips behind your tire, they look like this in no time. All you're gonna do is wipe that down, grab you some Mother's Mag aluminum polish, and this thing will become brand new. Look at the tips back looking freaking good. They'll be dirty by the time we get back from truck meet, but it's all good. Little polish job goes a long way. Tint is far from perfect because I did do it myself in the basement, but dude, it looks so much better with the blacked out windows. Freaking screw legal tint. Well, I figured we might as well fill her up with premium since Mead's gonna be running E85. I didn't get the cold air intake installed or anything, so literally bone stock 5.3. We splashing her with some 93, maybe. I don't know. That's probably literally does nothing, but hey, we'll see. And might as well while gas is $1.70, because before you know who potentially is the president when gas is going to go up like $10 a gallon, and then trucks and cars and stuff are going to completely disappear. Might as well have a little fun with it. So yeah, Mead, watch out, dude. Freaking 93 octane factory tune 5.3, about to eat your lunch, boy. All right, yes, I know everybody's confused when I'm coming in the exit. They tell me what to do. They tell me to do that. I'm coming in here for that free vacuum. So we're gonna swag over here, pick up a vacuuming, because this inside of this truck is so freaking terrible. I'll show y'all how bad Dallas ruins this thing. It's just, it's awful. All right, I know y'all probably can't hear me, but I'll show you the back. Dallas hair everywhere. Well, it's actually not too horrible this time, but the vacuums here are insane, and like I've said in many videos, they are free. All right, so it's Friday afternoon, just got off work, gonna take a quick minute over here to wash the truck, try to get it cleaned up. Might have to touch it up in the morning, but this right here is gonna make our life so much easier for all these, especially on the front. If we look at that, I mean, it just got these super stained bug stuff everywhere, but especially the mirrors. Right here's a hot spot, and then back here gets super bad, and this crap sucks to get off. So spray all this junk on there. It's just bug and tar remover. Let that sit for like several minutes, and this stuff will just melt right off. So you can just pressure wash it straight off. So I'm gonna hit all those spots, wash this thing, try to get it done before it gets dark. Catch up with y'all in the video off. Quick warning before you spray this all over your truck: if you have any plastic dip on it, don't use this stuff, or at least don't get it on the plastic dip, because it will dissolve it completely. It'll turn it to mush and your plastic dip will be ruined. So if you have any plastic dip on your truck, bug and tar remover will completely eat it. So that's good if you need to get rid of some, but don't accidentally spray it on it because it will dissolve it. And just like that, the truck is actually presentable now. It's crazy how much these wheels shine when they're clean. Oh, it treats you so right. But probably will wash again in the morning. I'm not even going to dry it off. I didn't go too hardcore on the front either, because it's going to get some bugs on the way home tonight. But got all the big stuff off. That helps me tremendously, because I should have about an hour in the morning after it warms up just a little bit and before we have to leave to give this thing a final spit shine. So I mean, it's not like it's a car show or anything like that. We're not trying to win anything. I just want to be presentable for y'all, and hopefully we see a lot of y'all down there. I definitely got it clean enough to show off all my bazillion rock chips, so y'all can thoroughly enjoy that in person. That's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully y'all did enjoy the little truck meet prep. I'm sure y'all are either doing the same thing right now or you already have. And so tomorrow, hopefully everybody will have their trucks cleaned up, or maybe not even cleaned up, just ready to rip. So if you see me, come say what's up. If you want me to film your truck doing something, you know, burnout, or if you got an awesome truck, you want me to just do a walk around of it or something, feel free to come up, say what's up, say, hey, here's my truck. It's sitting over here. You bring it over where I'm at or whatever. Throw you in the video for sure. So with that being said, I will see y'all tomorrow. Come prepared. Drag racing, burnouts, mudding, hanging out, whatever. It's all going to be there. So I'll see y'all then.